How to make your hair soft and smooth. 1. Use the right shampoo and conditioner. Sulfate-free products. Choose a sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner to avoid stripping your hair of its natural oils. Hydrating ingredients. Look for products containing hydrating ingredients like argan oil, shea butter, and glycerin, which help moisturize and soften hair. 2. Condition regularly. Deep conditioning. Use a deep conditioner or hair mask at least once a week to provide extra moisture and nourishment to your hair. Leave-in conditioners. Apply a leave-in conditioner to damp hair after washing to lock in moisture and keep your hair smooth throughout the day. 3. Avoid heat damage. Limit heat styling. Reduce the use of heat styling tools like flat irons, curling irons, and blow dryers, as they can dry out and damage your hair. Use heat protectant. When you do use heat styling tools, always apply a heat protectant spray to minimize damage. 4. Dry your hair gently. Pat dry with a towel. Instead of rubbing your hair with a towel, gently pat it dry to prevent frizz and breakage. Air dry when possible. Allow your hair to air dry whenever possible to minimize heat exposure. 5. Trim regularly. Regular trims. Get your hair trimmed every 6 to 8 weeks to remove split ends and keep your hair looking healthy and smooth. 6. Protect your hair from the elements. Sun protection. Wear a hat or use a UV protection spray to shield your hair from the sun's damaging rays. Avoid chlorine and salt water. Before swimming, wet your hair and apply a leave-in conditioner to protect it from chlorine or salt water, which can dry out your hair. 7. Maintain a healthy diet. Balanced nutrition. Eat a diet rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin E, omega-3 fatty acids, and biotin, which are essential for healthy, soft hair. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to keep your hair hydrated from the inside out. 8. Use natural oils. Coconut oil. Apply a small amount of coconut oil to your hair as a natural conditioner to add softness and shine. Argan oil. Use a few drops of argan oil on the ends of your hair to reduce frizz and make it smoother. Consistent care is key. Regularly follow these steps to maintain soft, smooth, and healthy hair. Consistency in hair care routines makes a significant difference over time.